Guys, check out this awesome tiny house Airbnb that we're at today. This thing is awesome.
So you guys, as you may or may not know, we are doing, or actually we are staying in this tiny house over the weekend, and we are doing kind of like a review of it. And this is something that Jason and I are super excited about because it's a real tiny house, and you guys know we're trying to decide on what route to go as far as our tiny house. So to be able to stay in a real tiny house and actually stay the night and kind of get a feel and a vibe as far as the whole tiny house goes, we're hoping to figure out what we want and what we don't want in a tiny house. So far, I am in love with this tiny house. Of course, there are some things that I would want to change, but overall, I think it's pretty awesome.
We got a lot of stuff in here. We are going to film a really, really cool, in-detailed video to show you guys more of the cool shots, kind of like we did our finished bedroom, bathroom. That's why we got all our video gear and stuff here. But guys, this is unreal. Absolutely amazing. Look at this stuff.
You guys asked for a Texas barbecue? Well, check this out. Here's some ribs we got on the smoker. First time using a gas smoker, so we'll see how this turns out.
You thinking this is awesome?
I think this is more than awesome. And I think that we could definitely build something like this, but with slight differences. We wouldn't need a washer and dryer because we'll have one in the house.
But that's why we're going to stay here and see what we like and don't like.
Sure. Stove.
Guys.
This is the perfect little stove.
Check out this kitchen.
This is a decent sized kitchen.
This is maybe 6 feet by 10. Check out this kitchen, guys. You got shelving up there. Nice counter space, refrigerator full of drink. They got all sorts of appliances here, shelves up there, washer and dryer. Look at this stove. The stove and oven, that's all you need.
You guys, one thing I really like about this house is their bathroom. So it's a pretty decent size. You got a small vanity and your little toilet area, but then you have an outside bath. If I can open this way. And they have this awesome tub. This is actually really outside. As you can see, there's the cracks, and this is the outside exterior wood, but I think it's awesome. We've actually talked about having an outdoor bathroom. I don't want to go all the way outdoor just because, I don't want to go outside to have to just go to the restroom. I'm a girl, go pee a lot, so I don't want to have to deal with all that. But I would be totally open to having a bathtub like that.
Guys, these stairs are a little steep, but this is so cool. Look at all of it up here. So this is the bedroom in here. Got a little TV over there, the AC unit, the cool rafters and beams up here that are exposed. And then across the hallway, here's the stairs going down. And then over here is another room. See if I can find the light switch. But more of a kid's room, guest room, and it's got some toys in here. Got the bed, the cool ceiling, some cribs in case you brought some kids over, a dresser, cool window with, look at this view. Guys, this is the view, which is awesome. I love the tin roof and the pond back there. This is insane. Got really cool barn doors that slide over to the door, but this place is cool. What I really like about it is the floors. They're not solid floors, they're planks. Check this out. You see that? You could see through. So it gives you that cool rustic feel, but you could put like carpets down. Look, put a carpet down and you're perfectly fine. But that way, whenever you're heating the house or cooling it down, the air can come through, and I just love it. It's super rustic and it has everything. Look at just the little details like this on the wall and the drawing over there. Then you got this awesome wraparound porch. You can see Jaylene is over here reading her book next to the pool. Jared's down there getting the barbecue stuff ready. How's the burger?
It's actually cooked this time. We forced Jared to leave him on the grill longer because he tried to feed us raw meat earlier.
Is that true? Guys, look at this view behind us. It's pretty awesome. Not this. Oh. That view is literally down the street. This is down the street from where we live. What would you guys think if y'all came to visit but stayed here and stayed down the street from our house and we hung out? That would be pretty awesome, don't you think?
Have any of you guys ever had the spicy ketchup from Whataburger? They sell it at Walmart. It is delicious. Makes everything taste.
So you guys, that's our truck right there, and there's a ton of land out here. There is a picnic area, and out here we have a fire pit, and then there is cornhole and horseshoe games out there. So it's super nice. This is where we walk in. As you can see, there's kind of like a wraparound porch. So this is really awesome. There's plenty of stuff. They literally have everything that you need. As you can see, they have a pool, and it looks like one of those like normal, typical summer pools, but I think it's probably at least 5 feet, 6 feet deep. It's actually pretty deep. And if we go out here, Jared's trying to get the fire pit going unsuccessfully.
I got fire going. Look, right there. Fire!
We have some food on the grill. We got some ribs, some corn, and some jalapeno poppers. I forgot the bacon.
Those ribs look really burnt.
Shame on me.
Delicious. Those ribs probably look really burnt, but they're really delicious. Jason just had a big chunk of it. I put an entire bottle of Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on there. So those things are going to be delicious.
Muy delicioso.
I have been trying for like 3 hours to get this fire pit started. Everything is wet. It poured this morning. So let's see if I can get this stuff lit.
Don't let Jared give you excuses. He sucks. Just kidding. It was going a second ago. And the ribs, they do look burnt, but they're actually pretty good. Jason is out on the kayak that they had. Just living it up.
Living la vida loca.
Living la vida loca.
Oh, now you leave right when I get fired? Look at that. As soon as you leave, I got fired.
You think I can make it up there?
I don't know. We'll see. You guys, how awesome is this? This is like a private lake for us on the tiny house. Check it out.
We need to go take a photo of you in front of the house.
Jared said he has a fire going.
It only took me 3 hours to get it going, but
Because I went and got dressed.
Because Jason walked up.
So what do y'all got going on over here?
Jared says my jalapeno poppers are burnt. They don't look
Those
burnt
aren't
to
burnt
me.
at all.
They're cooked. They look yums.
They what?
They look yums.
Well, that one's halfway.
Hey, man.
Jared got the fire going.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know about you guys, but this,
It's paradise.
look, fire, water, wind. Eating some ribs. They're a little charred, but man, they're pretty good. I hate to admit it.
Show them what it looks like while you eat it.
Show 'em what it looks like.
Let me do a pan across. Turn it a little bit. This way. Rotate it down. No, this way. Turn your hands. Turn it this way.
So, I made jalapeno hoppers.
She's
I made jalapeno
drunk
poppers,
and angry.
but I forgot to grab the bacon.
They're called armadillo eggs.
But they're still really good.
The Fettermans call them armadillo eggs.
Who is that, you ask?
The Fettermans.
People we grew up with.
Look at this nice toasty jalapeno stuffed with cheese.
We got alligators gonna get that. Oh. Dang it. Guys, how many of you guys want to come stay here?
I do.
Maybe we could do. What are you doing? Well, why not me in it? How many of you guys? What are you doing? How many of you guys would like to come stay here down the street from us? We can come over and hang out and have a good old time. This place is awesome. And just so you guys know, I hit this guy up on Airbnb and I did a 15-mile radius of our house, and this popped up, so I sent him a message and I just said, hey, we have a YouTube channel and would you like us to vlog and do a video of your house in exchange for us staying in your house? So he said, yes, this is not a paid ad. We didn't get paid for this. He didn't pay us to say good things. This is an honest, fun time that we're having because you guys know we needed a getaway and clear our heads and try to see if this is something that Jaylee and I would want to build.
Instead of getting away, instead of grabbing a Snickers to get away.
Guys, how much money would you pay me to hit Jared with this?
$50 free.
Look at this. The lake out here is just so cool. I could easily live here. If you guys want to buy us 100 acres, we'll take it. Just kidding.
He's really not kidding.
I'm trying to convince Jared to trade in our land and house to get something like this.
We just want land that has trees on it.
Guys, the sun's going down on this awesome evening, and Jayleena's wasting her day reading a book.
With the
That's
beer.
not a waste. That's not a waste. You guys, this is my
Hot Cheetos, beer, book.
this is my one of my favorite books of all time.
No, it's not.
You guys should read it. I read it many, many times, and I'm enjoying reading some of it again.
Why?
Chicken Soup for the Teenage Soul on Love and Friendship. I highly recommend.
As y'all can see down there, there's dog food and bowls. Pet friendly. This place is awesome. We should have brought Stainer. And what did y'all think about this place?
Ask them if they think that a stackable would be good for the house.
Y'all see the stackable washer and dryer? Jared wants to know if he should get one like that. because it doesn't take up a whole lot of space.
In the
And
second bedroom.
he already has the horns, so might as well have the washer. I truly think this is a really, really cool diamond in the rough.
It's not mine.
We are away from the city, but super close to where we live. So again, guys, if you want to come out here and stay, we'll put the link in the description. We'll hang out with you guys. We'll make a whole weekend of it. And how awesome would that be? Final note, Jared. In the video. Hurry up, my battery's about to die.
What do you want me to say?
I don't care.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're calling it a night. We hope you guys have a good night, and we will see you guys tomorrow.